Do you like things spicy? Well, if you do, on today's episode of Sustainable in 3, we're going to be showing you how to make your very own hot sauce, and it only takes 3 ingredients. My name's Hannah and I'm going to be your host. Let's get started. This morning I picked a number of jalapeno peppers from my garden, so I thought it'd be a great day to make some fresh hot sauce. To make hot sauce, you'll need a small pot with a lid, a blender, peppers, vinegar, and optionally salt. You'll first want to remove the stems and dice the peppers. I usually halve them and then cut along the inside for ease. I cut thin strips and then rotate them to cut small pieces from those strips. Because I'm working with jalapeno peppers, which are low on the Scoville rating scale, I'm not wearing gloves, but if you're working with hotter peppers, it's advised that you cover your hands so the capsaicin doesn't remain on your fingers and irritate your skin later. Once you've minced your peppers, transfer them to the pot. At this point, you'll need your vinegar. Add vinegar to a point where you have enough to cover the peppers, but not drown them. In my case, this was about half a centimeter of depth. Mix the peppers in the vinegar to coat them and spread them evenly over the bottom surface. Replace the lid and turn on your burner to a low setting. This should bring your mixture to a simmer within a couple of minutes. If not, raise the temperature very slightly until you have a simmer. Allow the peppers to simmer for 12 to 15 minutes and turn off the heat. Let the peppers sit and cool to room temperature and then transfer everything to your blender. You'll want to blend the peppers and the vinegar until they are smooth. Taste the outcome and add salt as desired. At this point, you're ready to transfer your hot sauce to a bottle and use it on your favorite dishes. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe and like so we can continue to create great content. See you next time.